Hello there, folks. This is Papa G, the compost gardening CEO, who brings you guys a variety of videos. And today, we are creating a compost gardening video. What do you know, guys? All right, I've made quite a few traveling to the Planet of Fitness videos. You guys can go and look at those. And but today we are transferring some watermelon plants that grew in my compost bin on the front of the house. And I'm transplanting them back here in the compost garden. As you can see, guys, this is the famous compost garden, guys. Brought to you by Papa G, the compost gardening CEO, who brings you guys a variety of videos. And today we are transferring some watermelon plants, guys. Some watermelon plants. Yeah, as you guys know, Papa G loves watermelon. Papa G and Granny D, we love watermelons. And so, putting the seeds in a compost bin along with the rinds. Well, then we had some watermelons to grow, to begin to grow, some vines beginning to grow. And so I decided to transfer them back here to the compost garden, in which I'm making a mound right there, guys. Making a compost garden mound for the watermelons. Watermelon plant, watermelon ride. Look at the scoreboard and see who's behind. Them weeds, guys. Them weeds are behind. I see a few, but overall, guys, weeding is in Papa G's past. They're in my past, guys. And anyway, what I'm doing today, I'm mixing up some cotton seed meal and some composting soil that has been composting in the compost bin. Yes, indeed, guys. Papa G didn't have to dig in the out of the compost mound today, because I'm using I'm transferring some compost and soil out of the compost bin. Two birds with one stone, guys, as you know. Papa G loves taking down more than one bird with one stone. As many as possible, guys. I've been to the gym already. Whew. Been to the gym, working out. I worked out about 1 hour and 40 minutes or so on the sit-down machine. And as you guys can see me working out on the sit-down machine at the Planet of Fitness. And since then, I've started to lift more weights, guys. And so, anyway, that's what we're doing today. Let me get the camera up a little bit better, a little bit higher. I'm trying to shoot from in the shade, guys, because I was shooting a while ago and it cut off on me because it was hot. It got hot, guys. And so I got it sitting in the shade right now, and getting ready to see if I can build this mound up some, so the watermelons can grow out of the mound. The way I understand it, they grow better out of mounds, and so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm mixing up this soil, this composted soil out of the compost bin, and building up this mound. I got it mixed with cotton seed meal, and we can do, guys. Because our genes worked up an appetite too. Hadn't had nothing but a banana this morning. Just some lemon water, lemon water, and a mixture. And so, anyway, I'm building this mound up. That's what I'm trying to do, is build this mound up. So it's because I've heard, the way I understand it, watermelon grow better in mounds, off mounds. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I'm building this mound up. Working on building it up. On top of this composted, on top of this compost garden. I'll bring the camera over here in a little bit, guys. I got it in the shade right now. Bring it over here and let you guys see what I've been working on. Making a mound, guys. Building a mound with composted soil. Hoping that these watermelons will grow. Don't you know, no. I love watermelons, guys. I love a good watermelon. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna pick the camera up while I'm thinking about it and show you guys a brand new watermelon growing. Sis Irene, you get to see this watermelon get started over here. You was asking me how long it take them. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you see it on the camera here. The watermelon there, growing. First watermelon that I've seen out here, guys. Growing. Anyway, we're gonna see how long it takes. Today is June the 30th. June the 30th, sis. So remember that. And we'll try to keep a record of how long it takes a good watermelon to grow. Hopefully it'll last. No varmints will come and try and overcome it. Come try and get it. I think old Sneaky Peeky, the turtle, probably would munch on that if he knew it was out here, because it is a he. Found out he was a he. Sneaky Peek is a he. We was flipping that other turtle over out here that day. I thought he was creating. Thought it was doing a MER out here. The way it was flipping that other turtle over. But I finally realized that that's one of the techniques of a sporting turtle, which is Sneaky Peeky. Sneaky Peeky's sneaky. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to turn the camera on and show you guys that I was building up a mound for the watermelon that were growing in a compost mound. And as you can see over there, They already growing, and I just showed you that one that's growing over there. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video, especially with the sun being as hot as it is out here today. You see all that on my arm. That's not perspiration, guys. That's sweat. That's sweat, guys. Popo G sweats. I sweat, guys. I don't perspire, I sweat. Woo! Anyway, I just wanted to make a short video today. And well, I guess I will show you guys these okra plants that's growing over here. These okra pods that are growing. All right. I hope you can see them. I can't really see my screen, guys, to really see what I have on the screen, but I think I got it on there. There's one there, and there's one here with the bloom on the side of it. And here's two over here, guys. Two over here on the side of this bloom. I might put that. Now I think I put a picture of the compost bin where the watermelons were growing out of it. Sweat's all in my eyes, guys. I need a sweatband. I need a headband for the sweat. It's not perspiration. There's another one there, guys. But anyway, I just ate a cherry tomato. There goes another one over there. I just spied. Yeah, I got to redo this garden. It has run its course, guys. You can look on some of the other videos, thumbnails, and see how beautiful it was. They were growing in this compost garden. And here's a tomato, guys. A strawberry tomato. What do you think? What do you think, guys? How about it? Sweet, guys. Y'all know tomatoes are fruit. But anyway, I just wanted to turn the camera on and let you guys see that new watermelon growing. Keep an eye on it, sis. It's growing. June the 30th. It's the first day we've seen this watermelon. It's the first day I seen it as well. Pinky out. Anyway, guys, this is Popo G, your compost gardening CEO, who brings you guys a variety of videos. And about to do the outro. See that sweat on my face? When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw bull raining around the hills and mountains. Steady hollering around the merry streets, with the rang tang tang and the ting ting ting, and I threw the way a bow wow wow and a moo 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 and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we'd run play ball, and through the way we would run.